Okay, as the initial step, go to start menu, tap on power icon, tap on restart. So once you are restarting, you can go to start menu again, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to the troubleshoot option. Tap on other troubleshooters. Scroll down and find Windows Store apps. Like this, just tap on run. Once it is finished, it will fix if there is issue. So then after you can close this one. Again you need to go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to apps, then after go to apps and features. Find the app that has the issue with, tap on three dots in the right side corner, just tap on advanced options, scroll down. First you need to tap on repair option. Once the repair is processed, tap on reset. So then after try to open that app again. Then you can update your Microsoft apps. Just go to Microsoft Store like this. Once it is open, go to library in the left side menu. If there is update available, you can see it from here, or you can download the recent downloaded applications from here. So then after close this one, go to start menu again, go to setting, go to Windows Update in the left side menu. Check is there any pending update available. So you can retry to install, or you can tap on check for update option here to update your computer into the latest version. Then after go to search bar again, search for CMD, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. In here you need to type SFC /scan now like this. Then after hit enter. Once it is complete, you have to restart your computer. Again go to search bar, type services.msc. you can see services app here, right tap on it. Search for Windows Update. Okay, it is right here. Double tap on it. Make sure to startup type set as automatically like this. Then after you can stop the service and again start the service. Once it is done, you can apply an OK. Again you can go to search bar, type registry editor, tap on it. You need to go to HKey local machine, software, scroll down and go to Microsoft. Then after Windows, it is right here, double tap on it. Then after current version, then after policies, finally go to system. Find if there any value is called filter administrator token. If there is no, right click on the empty area, go to new, go to dword 32-bit value. You need to type filter administrator token like this. Then after double tap on it, set the value as 1. Tap on OK. Once it is done, you can restart your computer. Again go to start menu and go to setting. Scroll down and come to the troubleshoot option. Sorry, not the troubleshoot. It should be recovery. In the advanced startup, tap on restart now. Once it is restarted, you have to select the troubleshoot option. Then after advanced option and startup setting, and finally restart. Then you will be restart your computer. Then after you will be see there is a list of options here. So you need to press F4 key to enter the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, try to open that apps that has previously not working. If the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is fixed, that means the issue is most probably of your recent Windows update or other thing. So you have to uninstall that recent update. If none of these methods are not working, you have to manually reinstall the application. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.